Hello guys, today we are reviewing Nokia 3230, a classic phone, almost 10 to 12 years old. It used to be a benchmark in Nokia phones at that time. Let's see what's inside this package. Okay, benefit guide, some paperwork. This is a manual, heavy manual. It used to come with the old phones. Nowadays, this much big manual is not seen. And this is a phone. Yes, this is a battery. This is 890 mAh battery. Wow, let's see. This is SIM card tray here. So old SIM card lying inside. It's easy to insert full SIM. You have to insert like this. This is a micro SD card, not micro SD card exactly. This is somewhat big SD card used to come in those days. It's for that. It can be expandable up to 32 GB. And this is a battery. We are inserting it. This is a power button on the top. Let's see. Typical Nokia tone will be heard. Let's keep it aside. This is a typical charger, Nokia charger. Let's see. This is another Nokia phone, Nokia N79. It was one of the popular phones that time. This is Nokia 7 Plus, not 7 Plus, 7.2 Android phone. Okay, let's keep the timing. Okay. Let's see what are the functions here. Messaging, contacts, logs, radio, camera, gallery, real player, movie, web, themes, chats, calendar, presence, go to do list, positioning, settings, profile. Let's see what's in the settings. Okay, phone. Profile, general, activate, personalize. Yes, ringtones. This is, we'll check it. Typical ringtones. Typical ringtones of Nokia. This used to be my favorite ringtone of many people then. This was my favorite tone. These are many tones here. Let's see what we have next. Yes, connection tools, extra games. Yes, games, Agent V, Rally Pro, Warrior. So let's see how the camera works. We'll just click this Nokia phone. It shows memory full. There is some issue with the phone. Let's see next time. So this was a quick review of the old classic Nokia phone 3230 Nokia. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and give like.